guess now that I'm back, I'm gonna change the title of the stream. Technology probably, I guess, would fit it more. It's weird. It's hard to say. Alrighty. Here we go. Who's ready for something really not that exciting, but still kind of cool? So, this is a project called Nighttime Eternal. And Nighttime Eternal is a game I've been working on for a little bit. Right now, I'm still very much working on the mechanics, and so I don't know when I'm gonna be done with it, like at all. I have no idea. But I'm just kind of trying to, I don't know, keep it on the down low, just kind of like work on it here and there, and not really like make a big deal out of it because it's not a big deal. This is just a piece of fan work. So, I guess with all that out of the way, I'm just gonna start, I guess, showing what I have. Because I'm kind of excited by what I have. So, I'm gonna blow this up so that you can see it a little bit better. Because right now, it is very, very, very tiny. Because I haven't implemented the zoom feature yet. Isn't that great? Don't you love, like, when you haven't implemented features? Isn't it like your favorite bit? Like, sorry, I haven't implemented critical features that involve you being able to see what's on screen. Let's see. Okay, so I want this guy. The love of coding, yes. In here as best as I can and just kind of bring this down. Blah, 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 blah. Come on. Come on. Cooperate with me. Cooperate with me! I know where you live, Streamlabs. Cooperate with me. Alright, cool. So, Here we go. Here we are. So, there's a lot that's still rough, but I do have some stuff here that we can do, and I'm very, very excited about this project. I don't know. I've been this is something that's been like brewing in my brain for a really long time. So this is a strategy RPG, as it's probably, you know, it's a tactics game. And you can use your stamina to move, or you can use it to attack. At the moment, there are using your attacks is a bit of a, how do I put this? It's like it's kind of hacked in, it's not really like, I didn't really implement it fully yet. In fact, I don't even remember what the button I used was. I thought it was Q, but it doesn't seem like it's Q. Oh, it's E. Okay. So this is just pure placeholder. Look at this beautiful placeholder right here. So this is the attack range for Magic Missile. And it's just beautiful. It's just beautiful how absolutely like temp that, like, all I have to do is make a sprite that's like slight red. That's all I have to do. But I haven't done that yet. Well, then literally all I do is I just press E, and then once I press it again, I've dealt the damage. The damage, you can see that over here on the UI, right? Here we've got, it costs 10 stamina. I haven't made it subtract the stamina yet. Look, this isn't for demonstration, for full demonstration purposes. This is just uses 2 magic and it deals 9 damage. And Sunset, we can see, has 6 resilience, the RES stat. That's this one, RES. And so just as a simple subtraction, right? 9 minus 6, that's 3. So Sunset took 3 damage. It's pretty straightforward. It's very inspired by Fire Emblem. Very much inspired by Fire Emblem. And this is the attack range for Buck. Obviously, you have to attack directly next to you. And yeah, so there's things that I'm working on right now, like a menu. So when you click on a character, instead of it just going straight to move, it'll pull up a menu to the right of them. And from that, you'll pick whether or not you want to move them, or if you want to use an attack, and those kinds of things. My God. Getting to this point has been a bit tricky, and it's definitely been a lot of effort. I wish it was easier to to kind of mess with these kinds of things, but alas, it is really not. That's kind of half the fun, though. Like, having to like figure out how all these systems work is really, really interesting. I'm really loving that. So what I'm thinking I want to do today is I kind of want to get those menus working, but I'm gonna quick pull up my Trello board and look at what things I was intending to do next. Ba-ba-ba-ba. Okay, let's see. And log in. Is it this one? Come on, I gotta get into this Trello thing. Where is it? Ba, 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 ba. Wow. Why is it doing this to me. It's never done this before. It's just like not letting me. What is happening? Weird. Like I went on the Trello website and it's like, choose an account, and I'm like, I want to choose a different account from the one that I chose, and it's like, sorry, we're not gonna let you do that for no reason. God, I'm trying to like I'm trying to puzzle out which I have too many email accounts. I guess that's my problem, right? Like I have like 1.5 million different email accounts. God. Why do I have to have so many email accounts? I don't know which one is my actual... Ah! Oh wait, yeah, that's the one that I thought I was using. I love that it asks me my password as if I remember it. It asks me my password because I should remember it, and the fact that I don't is garbage. And I'm garbage. I'm garbage. It's true. It's true, I'm trash. Damn it. Okay. Let's see. So... yeah, I have a couple things that I could do here. Making the menus work will definitely be an objective. The sad episode is sad, did you know? I mean, I figured. It took me a little bit to really figure that out, but I haven't even watched this sad episode that you speak of. What about the sad episode is so sad? My goodness. I'm trying to think about how, like, what I should do here. I feel like I need to... I was, like, in the middle of, like, restructuring a lot of things. And then I kind of, like, went to sleep. I just, like, stopped working on it. Which is pretty typical. I think a lot of people will relate to that when it comes to personal projects. But no longer. I will continue to work on this more. Hopefully, please. I want to continue working on it. Please. Let's see, what changes have I made? See. Oh yeah, I changed the range types. Oh yeah, that was the thing that I was in the middle of doing. Let me quick open the database. So, I've been using CastleDB for storing a lot of my RPG data. So this is cool. This has been fun. Let's see. So, line of sight and same elevation, I want to distinguish between these. Because the kicking attack obviously should only be able to attack enemies that are like on your level. Because the game has a sense of like height between the tiles and stuff like that. Whereas it does make sense for magic to kind of like be able to attack like up onto a wall. So let me see. Ba, 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 ba. So where is our action stuff? Actions. So we have our range. I need a range type. Range type. And I will load the range type. I should put that after. Keep consistent ordering. Thinking, how much bigger should I make, like, everything? Because I feel like this is, like, impossible to see on stream. Like, it's really hard to, like, follow along. Okay. Let's see. Ba, 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 ba. Range type. Range type. Cool. Okay. So I believe where I'm doing the where am I doing the attack, the action, like the map? Where am I building the map? Is it in here? Yeah, I'm building the sitemap in here, which, I mean, like, okay, but I don't really like that. I don't really like building it in, like, the general game area. Like, like, hold on, wait. So the sitemap is... Oh, right, because the sitemap, actually, the sitemap's a general, like... Yeah, the sitemap is a global. It's like a, what's it called? What's it called? A singleton. Singleton. And I guess that's, you know, that makes sense because there's only ever going to be one displayed at once. And I'm probably going to be regenerating it every time you pick a different move. And I imagine storing a sitemap for every move in advance doesn't really make that much sense. It's probably a lot of, like, a lot of memory to just kind of dump. So it makes a sitemap. And when action test happens for the first time, it shows the... I'm definitely gonna have to change the way that this works. Let's see. Right, and here is where it sets the... I feel like this should be like... I'm setting the action. I don't know why this is set to... This is called activate. I guess activate kind of makes sense. I love questioning my previous coding decisions that I made like only a couple weeks ago. Those are always fun. Alright, so user actions 0. So right now here I'm just manually saying, alright, just take the first one. Because I don't have a menu yet. Well, I guess, hold on. I think I have the assets to make a menu. But I keep getting distracted, alright? I'm getting way too distracted. Okay, so, sitemap.activate. I want to go back to sitemap, and I want to change the way that it activates things. Because right now, it just does size, and it just traces by size. But I need to do the range type. Action.range type. Trying to go in here. Take a look. It's the constant for that. Actions dot. It's range type. Actions dot range type. Data dot actions dot range type. Okay, cool. Right, and so what I want to do. So I have the type, right? I'm setting that, right? God, this the site tracing function is a mess. Okay. So type equals range type. Right, I have that whole dumb notification setup. That is irrelevant. I love my hey, this code is working prints, because a lot of them just make no sense. This one's just a bunch of A's. It's like I'm just screaming into the void like, ah, it's working. Fucking hell. Oh, let's see here. You know, I definitely don't need to pass in type and size. Like, I don't know why I'm doing that. They're properties of the sitemap. I mean, that being said, it's definitely like a lot more chill for me to pass them in than to just kind of, sure, whatever. Much more proper style and conventions. So here is obstructed is the child height greater than 0? This should actually be the tile height the character is on. So where is, yeah, I guess this should store the character, huh? It should have a reference to the character. I'm gonna make this in character instead of just character. I feel like that would be... It's better to distinguish between variables. Wait. I'm like always afraid to like import the type because I don't want to make like something cyclical. Like I feel like immediately like that's gonna be something cyclical and I just don't want to mess with that. Okay, let's see. I mean, I guess I could pass in the character as a... Because it doesn't really need it other than, like, when it's generating it. Like, it doesn't... There's no reason for me to store the character there constantly. Alright, so if it's obstructed. Okay, you know what? Passing it all the way down is annoying. Never mind. Guess what we're doing? Character is gonna be a property. Never mind. Scratch everything that I said. Passing it to every single function would be dumb and annoying and convoluted, and I don't feel like doing it. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. Wait. So I want the... the level map. Hold on, wait. Level map. Let's get cell B. And we want the position, right? Which I can actually just grab. I'm so dumb. Like, I'm just like realizing like, oh wow, I actually only need the grid position. Whoop-de-doo, I'm so smart. Oops. Okay, so I get the cell at the grid position. I need to get the height data out of there. I'm trying to remember the procedure for doing that. Let me go to the level map and I will check. Where is the level map code? It's probably in objects? No. Maps. There we go. Alright, here's, oh, here, get tile. And so it gives a, okay, or, yeah, this tracks. Okay, alright. So I actually want to do get tile. Grid position. Or wait, is... No, yeah, that's, you just give it coords. Okay. Okay, so the tile name it gets from tile get name. Right, because the tile set has all that stuff. And then I just want to get wall height. Okay. Basically, so if it's greater than whatever your height is, that's what matters. That should work, so I'm gonna quick test that. And I'm gonna totally remove this again, because, yeah, that didn't do anything. Okay. Okay, so yeah, so that still works, because these are pits and this is a high wall. Yeah. Oh, right, I didn't tell it to not work if I don't have, haha. Oops. It needs to actually check that well, this is for testing, it's fine, whatever. I'm not actually just going to check with reckless abandon whether or not there's a... I'm not just gonna assume that there's a user. Yeah, okay. I'm dumb, though. I am pretty dumb, though. That was a dumb mistake for me to just spam E like that. Okay. Let me think. So... I have the tile data. I get the wall height. That's working fine. Now, is obstructed is going to be affected by the range type. So, if range type, or wait, it's type. If type, or wait, I guess I'll do a switch. I'll do a switch. Which would be match, type. Let me think, it's range type dot. Okay, here we go. So if it's line of sight, then it's this. I guess also I should do, default will do the same thing, so. Let me think here. So if we have same elevation, yeah, I think that follows, yeah. So if it doesn't equal the wall height. Wait, hold on. Tile.wall height. Yeah. If it doesn't equal, the height of a given tile doesn't equal the height of the tile where you're searching from, then it's not the same elevation and kill it. Line of sight should allow you to see one tile in, but this is technically, so the tile is obstructed, and so it's dead. We kill it. But, and this is key. This is key. If it is obstructed, I need to include that tile if I'm doing line of sight. So that way that you can hit one tile up onto a wall. Trying to think about the best way to do this. Ah, okay, so I just need to, so I need to not break yet. So here it's like, if it, so I need to check is obstructed. And then I only break after this. Although I guess I'd have to do... No, I think that makes sense, right? So if is obstructed, and I want to spell out the other requirement. Actually, I should probably do that. Oh yeah, the other requirement is type. And type type equals range type dot line of sight. It's a bit sloppy. I feel like there's probably a better way to organize this, but I think it gets the job done. Let's see. So, this should let me peek up on the wall. Yeah. Awesome. This looks so weird. Yeah. Here, but this can't peek. Yes, this can't peek. And it can't go onto the pits either. I like that. I do like that. That language is like a Python and JavaScript had a baby. It is. It is. That is basically what it is. Yeah, it's called Godot, and it is a very weird language. It's just, their language is called GD script, and it's weird. It's a weird language. I will not deny. I'll admit I like that they used Python syntax because it's so much more straightforward. It is. Python syntax is way more like... It's just way more understandable. Let's see, so... I need to copy this. Because I'm doing the same thing. I don't like that I'm doing it this way, but I legit, dude, I don't know what else to do, honestly. Like, I mean, I could very well reorganize this entire loop. But if I reorganize this entire loop, then that would suck. Here it checks if it's obstructed. Yeah, I think that should stay. What I'm doing that should stay. Too many blank lines, you uncultured swine. Yeah, I have a lot of things that like PEP would yell at me in terms of my style. We had fucking we had Pylint at our work, and like, yeah, it kept the code organized. But like also like sometimes I would place one space in like one spot where like it wouldn't make sense, and then like 10 messages would get like put into the Slack like lint fail, like the lint check failed, and I'd be like, guys, it's okay, I got this, I'm sorry, I apologize, please don't crucify me. It's especially like embarrassing when you're like the new guy, right, and it and your conditions have like 3 parts. Oh yeah, that's just annoying. There's a lot of like my code that I'm not particularly like proud of. I'm just kind of doing my best. The site code, the sightline code could definitely use some work. Absolutely could use some work. Let's see. Quick. Take a look at something somewhere, something. I don't know. I'm glad that I have the elevation thing handled. Oh, what happened there? Oh, that's very interesting. What? That's curious. Now that's weird. Okay. Now this is what I hate to see. Why is it acting weirdly around the pits? Because it shouldn't act weirdly around the pits. Hold on. Let me see. I'm saying line of sight, right? And that is the one that it's to, right? Yeah, line of sight. If it's doing this, and strange type is not line of sight, then you break. Otherwise, you play sight, and then if it's obstructed, you break. And for line of sight, it should do greater than. I'm just excited that all the pages of my web dev project work right now. I'm sure you can only imagine how much of a pain in the ass it is to make profiles and notifications. Oh god. User data is the worst for web dev. I disdain user data, and I hope I never have to code anything with user data. That being said, video games and websites are different. Thankfully. Like, I don't have to worry about security or anything. Oh god. Cybersecurity is something that I am not experienced in and do not want to have to be. Like, oh god, I am so not ready for that. Why on earth is it doing this? I I've forgotten the CSRF token. Oh. Oh no. Forgetting a token. That is a very not good. That's very bad. Let me print, range type is 2. Let me quick check that 2 is the right range type. Zero, 1, 2. Line of sight. Very weird behaviors coming out of this. It's being blocked by pits. Did I miss something? So, if it's obstructed... and it's... line of sight. Great. Huh. Bah. Just gonna have it print. Bah. And I'm gonna comment out the place site comment. That didn't bar at all. Wait, that still didn't bar. Oh, right, because it's not supposed to. This is the only one that would do that. Right? What? What? Wait, why did I put it here? Why didn't I put it, like, you know, in all of them? Like, I'm an idiot. I am really dumb. If you're ever wondering why I'm stupid, then now you have the answer. Okay, yeah, so it's not doing that anywhere in there. But here... Here, it does that twice? Oh, right, because pit. Right. Why is it not placing a site? That's weird. Dag to count. Oh wait. Let me see. So I want to cap it off here, right? I want to stop it. Something like this? Will this work? Is it because I'm not incrementing the diag to count? Or wait, no. Why am I not remembering to do... I need to do that in every single one, don't I? I'm a clod. I'm an absolute buffoon. What am I doing? I am so dumb right now. Wait a minute. Dude, I'm gonna lose my mind, man. Because I coded this like ass. I coded this so bad. So weird. What? How did that happen? Wait, no, hold on. How did that happen? What? Alright, we are rewinding. What changed here? Oh, dude. just noticed what the fuck I did. Dude, I hate my fucking brain, dude. My brain is so fucking dumb. I was like, oh, I'll just copy this. That's not... That was so dumb. That was like one of the stupidest things I've ever done. Otherwise, I would have just fucking copy-pasted it. If it was that easy, I would have just copy-pasted it in the first fucking place. God damn it, dude. I am so stupid. Okay. I'm so stupid. I'm not really fixing the problem of like why I fucked it up. I'm just kind of making it worse. Which is very typical of me, honestly. I gotta be real. Welcome to programming. Too real. I fucking majored in this and I'm still not, like, used to the fact that, like, this is my life. Who hasn't broken their whole rig trying to fix it? Finally, it's working. Jesus. Let's do an even more rigorous test by editing the map. I'm going to make these low walls. You're out on lunch, you'll only be here about 20 minutes. Alright, well, that should be long enough for you to marvel at the crazy shit that I'm doing. That's not even the right screen. Alright, low walls. What do we got? Yeah, you can... So, Magic Missile can attack up onto the walls. But Applejack, with her kick attack, can't. Oh. Oh, beautiful. 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 Marvel at my entertaining bullcrap. Yes, please. Please do. So if these walls were thicker, you know, like... You know. Walls. And if I, you know, would actually run the actual level, that'd be good too. So you can see that you can only attack one in on the wall. Because you're just kind of being able to, like, peek up the wall. Oh, oh, I love it so much. You have queso that's a little salty. Mmm. That is a thing. That is rough. I'm really sorry to hear that. Dude, why does it have to do that to me? Hold on, wait. Let me see if I can fix this. There we go. I did it. Winner title must match. Worked fine. Cool. So now if I close this, will it just... Oh, and then if I click play again... Oh, let's go! I fixed it. I fixed my stream layout, so now you can actually see what the fuck's going on. That's good. I expect Derpy Hooves to be a playable character in this. Oh, don't you worry. Derpy Hooves will be a playable member of your team. 100%. Look, they've even got an animation for when they run around. Oh, it's so nice. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. This is so fun. I need to make like a... Oh, there's a lot of things that I need to do. Alright. I need to stop acting like there's one thing that I need to do. Can I request Kerfuffle as a secret character? She needs more exposure. You know, I wouldn't be opposed to that. Once I get all the systems laid out, hopefully it will be easy to add characters. Right now, the main thing with adding characters is the assets and getting the data going. Because right now, all of the data is... Let me close this. All the data is in basically spreadsheets, kind of like this. So like, here's the characters that I have right now, right? I have... I can't even zoom in on this. Oh my god. In programming, you don't fix bugs, you create more elsewhere. I guess that's true. You're not wrong. But basically here, like, I'm actually, like, saying, alright, so this is Twilight, this is her name, this is what palette to use, this is the body model. The cool thing is that I can give Twilight AJ's hat. I can just be like, alright, Twilight, you have Applejack's hat now. And when I load this up, Twilight has Applejack's hat now. It doesn't fit at all. It doesn't look right. But she has Applejack's hat. Or entertaining bugs, like when you lift the GoldenEye cartridge slightly and everybody starts spinning wildly. Get down, get to kimochi. Winterland. Let me see. There are a couple other fun things that you can do with the data, right? Like I can change Twilight's palette to be Applejack's palette, which is as funny as you would think it is. Absolutely as funny as you think it is. I saw that original video of that. Oh, the original video that got muted a few months back. Yeah, it's really sad. Yeah, look at Twilight now. Now she has Applejack colors. I love this so much. Here she is, Twilight with Applejack colors. Though that's a really cool name for a programming tool. It is pretty cool. Alright. But I don't actually want Twilight to have Applejack colors. Let me just change that. Change that back. Hold on. Something god metaphor. Oh, like a god, goddo. Let me think about this. So what I need to do I want to have a menu. If the program freezes, do you wait for God to respond? Wait for Gato to respond. Hey Gato! I'm waiting for you, Gato. Been praying forever. I can only imagine how fucking disrespectful it is to call God Gato. I know it's Godot. I know it's Godot. But like, if you wanted to say Gato, right? Like if you were like presumably like if it was God, right? Imagine how impolite it would be to address God as Gato. Hey yo, Gato, how you doing? How you doing? Who's a good Gato? Who's a good Gato? Oh, that's good. That's really good. Oh man. Alright. Oh, I should I guess I'm gonna look at the sub menu stuff because I have been working on making sub menus, which is cool. It's very exciting. Hooray, sub menus. I know everybody likes menus, right? Where's the rest of it? This is not the whole sub menu. Where is the rest of it? Hello? Objects? Okay, for some... Why is the... That's weird. What's the deal with this? Where's my sub-menu scene? Because I programmed the sub-menu to have a scene to test it in. I'm very confused here. What's the deal with programming? Oh, I called it car menu because I'm an idiot. Because I'm an actual buffoon. I called it car menu. Good job, me. Good job. I'm so proud of you for... How do you screw that up? Come on, buddy. Come on. Like, what? Do ponies drive cars? Or do they just run around? They ride in trains. Are there planes? I think there are helicopters. We saw a helicopter once. We did see a helicopter once. I don't think there are planes though. And yes, ponies do drive ponies. That is part of the that is part of it. Like ponies actually like physically like pull the wagons. Like they have cars kind of, but they're more like taxis and they have other people pulling the wagons for them. So the way that this menu works, it's kind of swell. It's kind of a good time. Basically, I can just add buttons, right? And you can see that it expands. So that's cool. That's cool. It expands the menu. You probably can't see the outline because it's, but there it is. You can see the outline, and the outline expands depending on how many buttons you have. Wow, cool. Making it shrink back down is another matter, but that's just... I won't need to do that. I won't need to do that. I'll be generating a new menu every time, so it'll be fine. I'm not gonna just remove a button while the menu is active. That being said, it does really annoy me that it does that. I really don't like that it... It's one of my least favorite things about Go.ui. The check button is giving you Earthbound vibes. Well, that's cool. I'm still not sure exactly. I think the check one is just going to be so that you can click it and then, like, you can go and look at the, you can go and mouse over the stats. Like, if I come over here, right? So, for instance, when I come over here and I click a character, right? Like, I want to be able to, like, come over here to these and, like, inspect things like the attacks and stuff. And I want to be able to do that for, like, enemies, right? I want to be able to click on the enemy and say, hey, I want to check some of their stuff. Like, I want to check, like, what exactly some of the attacks effects are and stuff like that. Ba, 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 ba. Let's see, so I want to make this menu appear in game. I think I'm probably just going to I'm trying to think, because I don't want to, I want to keep the UI stuff kind of like separate from the world stuff. The reason for that is because I want the world and the UI to be sized independently. Like, I want people to be able to choose the UI scale separately. It's gonna be one of those RPGs where fighting actually isn't the right thing to do, and if you didn't dump your stats into charisma in the early game, you're basically railroaded into the bad editing. No. It's not gonna be that kind of game. I'm actually just, I just want to make an RPG. I just want to make a strategy RPG with ponies. And I'm actually going to have combat. We kick ass here, Brian. We like ponies that kick ass, you know? I know ponies are all about friendship in the show. We like ponies that kick ass. In reality, though, there's gonna be a good deal of, like, you know, justification for why they have to fight this time. Because they've had to fight before. They've had to fight before. We kick ass here, Brian. I love that so much. Oh my god. Remember some classic RPGs that offer charisma stats. If dumped into, basically cripple your character and have you essentially explode whenever tapped the wrong way if you get too far into the game. Oh my god. Yeah, we're gonna do our best with this, but hold on, what kind of container is this? Oh, these are viewpoints. Right, because those are viewports. Right. Submenu. Oh wait, hold on. Maybe I should call this something else. top level HUD. Top level UI. Well, top level UI. As far as the stat isn't useless, it just means you're a smooth talker who's going to get mauled by bears. My favorite container is the salad Tupperware we have that has a filter to keep lettuce / spinach from getting too moist and going bad quickly, but it seems to make a difference of about 2 hours at most. Not the type of container I meant, but you do you, Brian. Alright. Thanks for joining us on your lunch break, Brian. This was good. I hope that you have a good rest of your day. Audios. Me and my yawns. Glad to hear it. Yeah, let's see. What am I doing? 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 Right, game. I want to go into game. Game. Wait, so when you click a character, it should give game a menu. Export bar top level UI. This is a scene tree? So, would it be like... Oh, Notepad! Notepad, that's exactly what I want! Okay, so if I go into... Oh wait, but I can't... No, wait, that doesn't work at all, because this is, I'm a fool. Will it let me edit this as a node? It seems it will not. That is a shame. That is a damn shame. That UI notepad. So if I go to this, right, I should be able to assign assign it this. That's really good. Okay, I'm gonna start doing that more. I'm gonna start doing that more. Taking advantage of the fact that I have an editor is good. It's a very good idea. Oh, but I didn't, those are just the pads. Oh, I don't like that. I guess it'd be like that. So I have to do sport, car HUD 1 path. Wait, I didn't do the get node. I'm a colossal idiot. I'm a colossal idiot. I'm a colossal idiot. Here I am. Alright, so I should be able to... over here. I should be able to assign these. And now this should still function just the same. Yeah, okay, cool. Okay. I like that. Okay, so the top level UI. So the game really should have access to the battle screen data. Why doesn't it? Does it? Like, why does the HUD get handled in here? I feel like it... I don't know. Yeah, okay. And make a game.battle screen equals self. Game. Our battle screen. Let's have a... Okay, no, I didn't give it a type. Okay. No. Set get set battle screen. And let's see. Usually this is going to be the... Like, this should be the root node, but I don't know for sure, so I'm not gonna assume. Because I don't know where I'm gonna take this, to be honest. Okay, cool. So... Well, my set gets should be at the bottom. Okay. Okay, so when you click with the cursor, finally we get here. When you click with the cursor, mouse click. So, selected character. If it isn't null, then it should change. Then, right. So let it know that it's changed. If it is null, oh, so if you haven't selected something, right, I see. Selected is whether or not it's highlighted. I should maybe change that to highlighted. Alright, well, clicked character will change. Click character is null, then it will do click character. If it's the same one, then it will unclick. So let's take a look at click. So here it does start move. I don't want to do start move yet. I'm going to comment these out just for now. Because what I really want to do is I want to bar submenu. Did I not name the submenu, dude? I didn't name the submenu. How did I not name the submenu? Class name. Yo, sad boy! Thanks for following. What brings you here? Did you see that I was making something? Or were you just like, oh, if Aqua streams, I might as well follow. Otherwise, I appreciate it. I don't know why I'm asking, I'm just trying to make small talk. Let's see, submenu. cursor. So you were live on Discord, so I dropped in to check out. Rad. I like it. Yeah, I usually do like daily. I do like these sorts of like creative streams and stuff like that, just to kind of keep myself like working on my projects. And then like on Mondays, Sundays, Mondays, and Thursdays, I do video games at night. Submenu. So the submenu, I want it to be a new one. I'm gonna make a new submenu. And let me take a look here because I guess I am. No, because I need to make a Wow, I need to change a lot about how these menus work though. Holy shit. I could just instantiate the scene. I guess that's why I didn't, That's kind of trash now, isn't it? This one I actually want to... This is interesting to me because I don't know anything about coding. Yeah, it's oh man, coding is a time. That's pretty much... Let me try and explain some of the stuff that I'm doing, I guess. So right now this is very like tailored to the engine kind of stuff. Like I'm trying to deal with a lot of like the logistics of getting this menu set up, because I want to generate a menu that looks like this, and I have pretty much all of the things that I need to do that. It's just a matter of messing around with the parameters and stuff like that. I'd be a terrible teacher, my god. I've already done a lot of the groundwork, I guess, which is good. I just need to redo some of it, because some of it I did poorly. Which is typical of me. Okay, so... button, container... I want to export this. Export that. Button container node path. I get the node path. And I'm gonna on ready. Button container. Oh, what am I doing? Why am I typing on ready there? Button container. That'll be. Get node the button container path. So now in the editor I can let it know where the buttons are going to go, and they're going to go in this container. And now so this is where I should create the buttons. So on ready, or maybe I should make an... No, I shouldn't make an init because I'm not doing... Yeah, I should only do an init if I'm doing, instantiating it by using the class, but I'm creating it using the scene. So, let me see here. Setup. I'm trying to think. So this menu is going to need to know what buttons it needs to have. So it needs to know the button IDs. I guess I'll make that a button ID array. I guess would make sense. So for button ID in button ID array, I need to button container. Well, hold on. First, I should be our button. I'll call it new button. New button. So I need to make a new button. This is going to be instantiating the button, which I feel like I should. Yeah, my organization, code organization, not amazing. Not the best file tree I got going on here. Okay. Let's see. Can I, hold on, can I have, export our, button, what is it? I want the button scene. Maybe packed scene? Can I do that? Or do I need to put a file path? Can I just do packed scene and it'll let me select the scene? I hope so. I hope it will let me do that. Button scene dot instance. Button container, add child, new button. Yeah, I'm just gonna do that, just kind of real fast. See. Okay. Let's see. Okay, well, I need to try to give these submenu. Where are we at? Submenu button. Okay. Now I'm doing more, like, things more tailored to Godot, and I think that that's gonna be smarter. Because I think I can just move things around a lot easier. Okay. So when I click something, it should create a submenu, and the submenu let me do that up here. Export constant. This should be a constant. Or wait, hold on, I can't export a constant. Export a variable that is the submenu scene. Alright, and then let me just, Oh, I didn't save the script? I have such massive brain power. I totally remember to do things like that I'm supposed to. So why didn't that show up? Method failed. Wait, error parsing expression. Oh, I didn't complete. Yeah, okay. I'm an idiot. I'm a fool. I'm a gosh dang fool. I'm a fool. Obviously that wouldn't work if I don't complete my fucking expressions. Okay. Okay, so menu scene dot instance. I need to check what edit state really means. Hold on, go dot instance edit state. State. What does it call itself? Let's see, instance, edit state. Instantiates the scene node's hierarchy. Triggers child scene instantiations. Blocks edits to the scene state. Provides local scene resources to the local scene. Only available in editor builds? Wait. Let me look into this. Unknown function instance must be called. Two-step process that a pack scene may be kept loaded and ready to use, so that you can create as many instances as you need. This should work. Yeah, I think this should work. I think I'm just getting bogged down in a few details. Should be fine. Submenu dot setup. And we're gonna give this an array with like a can have like move, act, check, and cancel. And then I need to do game dot battle screen dot top level UI, probably. Or is it top level UI? Add child. Submenu. Alright, so let me take a look at this. That's not right. I should be in this scene. Okay. So this should... Okay, alright, that's fine. That's part of progress. It's an aspect of progress. Game dot battle screen equals self. Okay, okay, so why didn't that work? Let me take a look at game, make sure that battle screen equals null. Set battle screen. And here I'm setting it to that, and I am pretty sure that I had it do that. Right, because ready I have game.cursor equals self, and in battle screen I have game.battlescreen equals self. So that should work because we're loading the battle screen. Let me check the remote. Battle screen is right here. And oh yeah, and here's top level UI, right? There's top level UI. If I go over here, I click this, why does it say nil? What is nil? Oh, wait. Button container is nil here. Why is button container nil? Oh, wait. Oh, I have the wrong... Hold on a second here. Wait, let me stop this. Stop this. Let me take a look here. What, here's the submenu, right? I have the submenu here. And that is the submenu scene, right? Objects, submenu.tscn. I open submenu.tscn, we have button scene, we have that defined. And button container, we have that defined. If I open this, this shouldn't be null. I guess the reason is because it's not saved into the scene. Like what I do in there isn't saved into the script. But that shouldn't matter because I'm instantiating the scene, not the script. Wait. Why does that work? Like, why can't it do that? Do I seriously have to define it in code? Bizarre. Let me guess, this will work now. No, it's not what I meant. Well, it might still break, but I want to see why it breaks. Okay, button container is still null? That doesn't make any sense. Is it because I haven't added it into the scene yet? Maybe? Maybe? No, because it's not like I've never done this before. Do I have to add the scene into the tree before it will actually register anything. Okay, so I click a character. I put it in there. Then I do it. What do you think about that? What do you think about that? Okay. Okay, that's not, I don't care. Okay, so I click. Let me take a look at remote. Compilable UI. Logic container. Okay, it has buttons in it. Where is it? Like where is this? See if I can find this. So right now I have no idea where it put this. You play with the anchors, I think. Is it like... Where the hell is it? 960. Maybe I'll be able to see it somewhere. Hello? Anywhere? Hello? I'm moving it around. Not seeing it. Weird. Very weird. Is it because of how the views work? Is it because of how view containers work? Let me see. Like if I just add something in here, right? If let's say I add an instance manually of a submenu, right? Like submenu example. Whoa, it's over there? Why is it over there? It's not even... Why is it over there? That's really weird. Alright, let me... Ugh. What is happening? Why does it appear there? Hold on. Wait, let me save this, close it, reopen it. I'm honestly intrigued by where it decides to put itself. Is that because of the anchors that I'm using? Maybe? I don't see why. Oh, am I... Children of a container get the position of their parent. I want this to be kind of like freely placed on the screen. I don't know why it's doing this. Wow, this is unchanging apparently. Let me see. What other kinds of containers do I have, though? Grid container. Tab container. I'm dead on the inside. I'm dying inside. Why are the anchors doing this? What is wrong with these anchors, dude? Alright, wait, hold on. So if I ran this, right? Does this actually show the UI? Okay, so it's there. So that's good. If I hide this, right? Maybe that was the problem. Maybe it was the layering problem. It very well could have been. Okay, alright. Okay. So. I think it was a layering problem. So this is good because I can more freely move this around. Because I'm not, like, saying, alright, it's a container, you're going specific, you're, whatever. Like, I'm not, like, organizing it, I just need to put it somewhere. So for this menu... Oh boy. I really need to figure out what I'm doing here. So when you click the character, the sub menu appears. The cursor shouldn't follow anymore. And then what should really matter is what you click on the menu. I'm just trying to think here, right? So that does that, and then what should really matter is where you click on the menu. So at that point, the cursor shouldn't care about your mouse while there's a menu up. Alright, so game is going to keep track of submenu. When there's a submenu, submenu and the action IDs. Action ID array. And cursor. So over here, what I'm actually just going to do is I just do I want to take this, put this in game instead. Loving the Godot development. Thanks. I'm doing my best. But in some ways I am grasping at straws. Let me see. Cursor doesn't need the submenu scene anymore. Oh, but I can't. Oh, I hate that. Exporting is really nice. I don't know, in this case I think I want to do it. I think I want to. It's dumb. It's dumb, but I think I want to do it. Alright, so then what I'm gonna do is I'll do game.register submenu. And this is where it will just take the submenu that's generated and it will just put it into the UI. And it should keep track of whether or not there's a submenu, which is what the submenu is for. Submenu. It should be in submenu. I want this to keep track of this. If submenu is not equal null, submenu dot free. Okay, so we set the submenu to be the one that I've just created, and then I add it to the top level UI. Okay. What do you think here? See here, before I do a test of this, I want to obviously recheck my click stuff here. So when I click, it's going to call game.register submenu, and it's going to give it the submenu. Make sure that's the right. Okay. So this, I'm gonna have it do this first. Why did I... God, I keep forgetting that I need to actually launch the right scene. Okay, so why did this happen? Button container. Button container, button container, button container. Right, I think I am correct about one thing, and that's if I don't add the, I can't do setup until I've added it to the scene, which is very disconcerting. I think I understand why I did it again. I think I understand why it's doing that, but I don't like that it's doing that. Because I don't want there to be any frame where you can see the empty submenu. Like, that would be sloppy, and I really wouldn't like that. Yeah, and that crashes it. Yeah, whatever. I'm working on it. I'm working on it. It's just because I have, because it has to, like, it has to have the nodes physically in there for me to set them up. For me to, like, add to the node hierarchy in the packed scene. It has to be in the scene tree. I guess that's fine. I don't know, I guess that's fine. Okay, so mouse click. How far in do I want to go? Where do I want to put the, if there's a submenu, just don't pay attention to a click. Input is here. So if game dot submenu, well, no, and dot is action pressed, click. So now it will totally not care as long as there's a submenu. It won't care if I click. Ah, but I did that wrong? Apparently? Oh, right, because I didn't set it to be null by default. Yeah, I have to do that, otherwise it doesn't it doesn't work like that. Null is not the default in Godot. Very weird, but that is how it is. Hello? Okay, what did I do wrong? What did I do wrong? If the submenu does not equal null. Oh wait, oh, if it does equal null. I want it if it is null. I'm an idiot. I'm a fool. I'm a fool! And now it doesn't care where I click. The cursor doesn't care. So that's good. Okay. What did I do that I thought I was doing wrong? Oh, right, it was, whatever. It's more explicit now, so that's fine. Okay, submenu equals null. So now the cursor literally doesn't care if there's the submenu up. There's a submenu up, the cursor doesn't care. Cool. Alright, rad. Submenu. I guess it's actually, there's a couple other things that I can do with that. Whatever. I'm not gonna worry about those right now. Right now I'm just making the submenu work. So when you pull up a menu, it should I should make like a basic button function, right? Like one where it's just, oh, you press the button and it just closes the menu. Okay, so... Okay, submenu button. Let's go into submenu button. So when it's pressed, we're going to do... So function would be a submenu function, right? I feel like this needs to be its own class. I don't know why it's like this. Why did I do this? It's bizarre. Why did I put this in here? This doesn't make any sense. Submenu button function. Make this a reference. Class name. Okay, so it has a display name, it has a function reference. Okay, cool. So, in it, we'll take a display name, a instance, and a function name. You can put this in game, maybe? See, register submenu. I'm gonna have close submenu. I think I should call it submenu close, and that one should be probably submenu register. But Okay. So... Thinking. Okay, so now if I go into the sub menu button, I'm going to make this button. I need to assign the function. So, is this not saved? Oh, button function. This should be sub menu because this is sub menu button function. Bit long-winded, but we'll go with it. Well, I don't like what I'm doing here. I'll change the names of this later. Dot call funk. I need to just call funk. Yeah, okay, alright, cool. So I call that. I need to do a setup. See. Display string, the instance, and the func name. Function equals submenu button function new. Just give it the display inst and func name. This is just like fast and lazy. Just wanna like get it to close the menu. That's literally all I want right now. I just want it to close the menu. Okay. So that's the function. The instance is gonna be game. And the display string is gonna be close. course, I haven't set it to actually use the display name yet because I'm a fool. Okay, we're gonna just attempt this. Oh god, I don't know. Okay, that's fine. So many clothes. Wait, why did this get called? Eh? Oh, right, I'm an idiot. I need to tell it that it's called some menu close. Not actually call the function. I'm a fool. So how do I get buttons to care about my mouse? I feel like I skipped a step. Yeah, I definitely skipped a step. I needed to buttons. I need to look into how buttons work. I don't remember. What's the button? That would do it. That would do it. Please? Appreciate if you would at least give me something. Just give me something, please. Okay, so the button. When you press the button, thinking again, thinking. Okay, so you press the button. This should be... This is the button, right? This is the actual button object. Come on, man, please. Here it should call the pressed function. And pressed is in here. And that calls the function. Alright, here's what I'm gonna do. Alright. Instead of closing the menu, we're just gonna have it print to the chat. That's all the button's gonna do. It's just gonna print to chat, hi. Hi. That's it. That's all it's gonna do. It's just gonna say hi. And that's not working. I'm looking in the output and I'm not seeing hi. So, the question is, how badly did I fuck up the button? The answer is probably fairly. Probably fairly. Is it a trigger? Is that what I'm doing wrong? Do I need to hook up a trigger? Am I dumb? Maybe? Maybe I'm dumb. Node. Signal pressed. I feel like I should probably use that. I haven't used a signal in like a million years though. Sure, we're gonna go with this. We're giving it a shot. Whoa, we're halfway there. Also, I was something that stabbed me on my chair, and I don't know what it was. And maybe I'll never know. Well. Oh, welcome back. How are you doing on this fine day, Artie? What if I just got rid of this, like... What if I just got rid of this script? And just use the signal. Probably just want to use the signal, honestly. Clown mail. Alright. I mean, hey, that's real. Okay, it's still not working. So that's pretty pog. I don't know, man. That's pretty pog. I think I found the thing that's poking me. Oh. Really? Okay, I guess it was a fingernail. So it was just sticking out of the chair. That's fun. Always exciting. Is it maybe like the... Maybe because of the filter? Oh boy, I probably have to change a lot about how my UI works, I'm guessing? Maybe? Like this. Okay, this is set to pass. Knows whether the control will be able to receive mouse button inputs through GUI input and how these events should be handled. mouse controls whether the control can receive the mouse entered and mouse exited signals. See the constants to learn what each does. Okay. Okay, I need to look at the constants for this then. Can I, hold up. Hold up. Can I make it, if I make it pointing hand, will I be able to tell? Ooh, interesting. Okay, I'm gonna look up the constants then. UI mouse constants. Mouse filter constants. Godot. Or Godot. I don't know how people pronounce it. Mouse filter, okay. See the constants. Okay, where are the constants? Here they are. Okay. Notification resize, notification enter, notification exit. I feel like I'm not getting what I was looking for. Control's parent has mouse filter set to okay, so the parent needs to be set to pass. Oh, that means that this needs to be set to pass. Okay, it is. This needs to be passed. Basically, it needs to be passed all the way up until a stop one, I guess. You look in the sub menu. What do we have for mouse behavior? We want this to pass. And we want this to pass as well. And the feed box container should also pass. Pass. Okay, good. Okay, let's give this a shot. Okay, there's still something blocking it, and I can only wonder. Hold on, let me check. Let me see. Let's see. This happens. It happens outside parent's rectangle. Rect clip content or. You see the so we have the texture. The click mask should be the same. To implement by the user. Use this method to process and accept inputs. Let me look at what these do. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Mouse filter. Okay. So and stop. The control will receive mouse button input events. And the control will receive the mouse entered and mouse exit signals. These events are automatically marked as handled, and they will not propagate further to other controls. This also results in blocking signals in other controls. Okay. Pass. The control will receive mouse button input events through GUI input if clicked on. Control will receive the mouse entered and mouse exited. If it does not handle the event, then the parent control, if any, will be considered. And so on until there is no parent control to potentially handle it. This allows signals to fire in other controls, even if no control is handled at all. The event will still be handled automatically. Oh, this is a lot. Will not receive mouse button inputs. And will not receive any of that. Okay. So wait, so... This label, I don't really... I'm trying to figure this out. Basically I want... Yeah, this should ignore. This doesn't care. This is exciting. You know, wired mouse, the current one fucks up too much. Oh. Yeah, I don't know a good brand for wired mice. Like, I'm using a wired Logitech mouse. But I don't know, like, what a good one is. Oh my god. This needs to pass. What the fuck? Oh wait, but that doesn't even exist. Come on, man. Let me hit the button. Let me hit the button. I'm so mad. I'm so mad that it won't let me hit the fucking button. Hold on, I need to turn on something real quick. Is good at testing. Let me just... That. Oh, this is set to capture cursor, really? Oh, okay, yeah, it'll show my cursor. Why won't it let me button? Okay. Calm down. Let's check some more documentation. Oh boy. Um... Okay, hold on. Wait, I might have this. I might have this. I might have this. It works! It works! God! Oh my god, it works. Oh my god. Wait, so then, so... Is it like, how does it... What's the order of operations? Like, how does it determine what stop means? Okay, so it propagates up. I get it now. I understand. I understand now. It propagates upward. It propagates upward. Oh wow, okay, here we go. The issue isn't wireless mice, it's just that you have cheap wireless mouse. Also, hi again. Hello, Matt, how are you? I kind of like minimized this because I was like looking up why my buttons weren't working. I'm a bit confused because like stop is supposed to work. Oh, wait. If I set these to ignore, is this how am I right about how this works? Okay, yeah, it propagates upward. But why is... Hold on. So stop, it will receive them. And then it won't propagate further. And they're marked as handled. Parent control, if any, will be considered. Basically, it goes until it finds something to handle it, I guess. Goes up through the hierarchy. It's weird. That's weird. Okay, well, let me actually make it close the menu now. Game. I gotta say, I fucking love the background music you play during these streams. Thanks. I don't know. I started making I just started making a playlist, I guess. Yeah, I just tossed like a bunch of like instrumental, like video game music. I was like, all right, yeah, or like video game music and like pony music. I was like, all right, I need like chill, like laid back like music that I can play for my streams, and I just started making the list. One day I just like laid in bed, just putting together a list of music. This song's cool. I like this. This is Super Mario Galaxy is very nice. Super Mario Galaxy has very good music. Although wait, this isn't Super Mario Galaxy. Why is it showing that? Yeah, this is Klonoa. Right, it's because I minimized the window, so it wasn't updating the thing. Yeah, this is a good Klonoa song. Oh, God. The Klonoa soundtrack is so good. I know what happened. I did a very dumb thing right there. Okay, so what it should do is it should mark it for deletion and not just delete it, because right now it's in the middle of using that object. So what should I do here? I need to tell it, hey, at your next opportunity. Oh wait, hold on. Isn't there a thing for that? Let me see. Free destroyer remove, simply call Q free. The standardized way. There's also free. The main difference is Q free gets called the next frame, which is generally safer. Yeah, okay, alright, there we go. Q free. That's what I should have done in the first place. Rad. So that should keep this from having problems. Let's double check. Let's see what happens. Let's go! Oops. What did I do wrong? Oh, right. I'm a fool. I am a fool. I need to tell it to follow again. Because at the moment it just says, alright, not following anymore. Really what I should do is I should check if there's a sub-menu. And only then I should be doing the follow. So here is where it determines, okay, so, do follow. This will return, submenu, game submenu, game.submenu, equals, does not equal null. Or no, equals null. If it equals null, then it should follow. And so instead, we're gonna have a function for this. And so, if do follow, I'll call it should follow. I don't know, I'm trying to think of I know standard notation is to say is, but that doesn't really make sense in this context. So this is outdated. This is probably not gonna last anymore. What really is important is the should follow. Kinda wish my keyboard could display more colors other than gamer green. It's hard to justify a keyboard purchase for aesthetic reasons. That's so real. So I do this, and if I do this, then this should, yeah. Now the mouse is free. spacebar gets stuck sometimes. That's not too good. I mean, that is the thing that people use when either gaming or typing quite a lot. So it getting stuck would not be very poggers. I can say that. Mouse click, mouse click. So when I click the mouse, okay, if the click character is null, then we why am I getting a text? Oh, it's from my mom. Oh, you know, that's a good point. My mom just made a very good point. Okay, yeah, we'll have to figure something out. But okay, so here, unclicking is not nearly as involved of an action anymore. So when you click the character, all I'm doing is I'm just setting it as the clicked character. I'm not actually doing anything complicated anymore. I mean, I'm opening the menu, but like the moment that the menu closes, the character is technically unclicked. Which actually means that I really only need to register them as the select character. Yeah, I really only need to register them as the selected character. I don't even need to recognize them as clicked yet. So technically what I should be able to do is I should just be able to come over here and do this. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, this makes sense. Technically all the buttons are cancel right now. Yeah, alright. This is nice, okay. So technically all the buttons are cancel. If I make a move button, it will just, I guess what it will do is it will probably call start move. Let me see, where is start move? Let me see here. Let me make. God damn it, dude. Okay. Set up. Okay. I need to go into the submenu creation. Okay. So. I'm just gonna kind of hard code this for now. Match button ID. And we're gonna do if you get move. Move should do. Oh, var new button should happen in general. Making a new button. For move, we need to set it up. move, and the would be game dot cursor and start move. See. I'm gonna have the default also be the close menu button. It kind of works. It kind of works. The key is that we're getting there. We are, in fact, getting there. Okay? Let's try this. Yeah, I like that. Right, so now it's just, it does nothing, right? It's a button that does nothing. All buttons close the menu because after you use the menu, you don't need the menu anymore. Alright, so that needs to actually work correctly. I think you should pull up the menu again. Yeah, I need to figure out exactly where I broke it. It's probably in cursor. So this isn't where I start move anymore, right? Let's see. So we update the character selection. We unclick the character. This is... What did I change in this file again? I need to double check that. Easy. Rescan. Unclick character I want to look at. Unclick character. Okay, so I added these lines. Wait, why is it? I didn't change anything in here, does it? Okay, so while I have clicked character and moving character, right, which technically click character doesn't really even do anything anymore. If should follow. Oh, You could look at should follow. What are the other instances where... Okay, if moving character does not equal null. Moving character equals null, or... Oh, yeah. What happened? Oh. I'm a fool. Okay. It should be and. Okay. So only if all of these conditions are met should it follow. Right. I'm dumb. I can't believe I didn't figure that out. There we go. That should do it. Okay. But that should be the one that moves, right? What? Hello? Right? What did I do? What dumb thing did I do? Was it really just adding that did that? Huh. Okay. Why doesn't that deactivate the moves? Hmm. Eh? Oh. Hmm. Okay, I need to look into this. That should deactivate them. So at the end of a move, it should refresh the move map. Update character selection, unclick character. Should it unclick character first? It clears the path, hints the moves, sets these to null. Make a submenu? Oh wait, fuck. I'm an idiot. I didn't even like... I'm stupid. Have the game register the submenu. I definitely need to like... Yeah, I'm gonna have to consolidate that. It's a little weird the way I'm doing it right now. Why didn't it make the submenu? That's what it should have done, right? Is end move not getting called, actually? I need to check if the character is doing the animation, I guess. I think I have that as this thing, right? I think. No, I don't. Yeah, if move path isn't null, then it will move along that path. Okay, if it's not empty, if it is empty, then it will set running to false. It'll decrease stamina, and then it sets move path to null. Okay. So what I need to do is I need to check if should follow should be moving character Took one look at this and my head exploded. Yo, that is so real. My head is already blowing up. And I'm the one writing it. You do code for a living? I fucking hate coding. That's so true. Hi, Mom. Welcome home.
Get my text?
I don't remember. I think. Oh, I did. I did get your text. Yeah.
Gonna talk to your brother?
Yeah.
The guy's birthday. Well, I don't know if your brother's gonna be able to come over on Sunday.
Yeah, I don't know. Whatever. We'll
But,
find out.
But you should get something for his birthday. I know we bought him that silly outfit,
Yeah.
but it hasn't come in. I think we're gonna have to give him that for Father's Day.
All right.
All right. So.
Oh, Mom. Soup says hi.
Soup.
Yeah, Soup.
Who's Soup?
You don't know Soup, but Soup says hi. Soup
Okay.
said hi, Mom. I'm streaming
Soup.
right now, and Soup said hi in chat.
Okay. Hi, Soup. Are you chicken, broccoli, or cheddar?
What kind of soup are you? Oh my god. Lemon rice.
Oh, I like that. I would like lemon rice. Oh, my.
Lovely. Bum, bum, bum. I guess the way to test this is the cursor doesn't follow me, so that's good. So either there's no moving character or the move path is null.
Okay.
Mhm.
Fish and sweet corn for supper.
Cool. Move path is null. If there's no move path, that's one thing. Try this. Oh no. Oh no. What happened? What did I screw up this time? Why? Why? Okay, but why? Why did that happen? So it calls this function. Activates the moves, it assigns something to character. So this is null. Oh, wait. Is it because... I feel like this should be Hold on, I feel like I'm doing this in a stupid way. Alright, I'm changing the meaning of moving character. Ah. Hair in my freaking mouth. Love that. Okay. So this will count as clicking the character when you start the move. Then when you click, let me take a look here. Okay, so when you click the mouse, it will do this. Unclicking is now done by the selection box. So when you click cancel, it should perform the unclick, but click character doesn't even set the click character thing. I need to change the names of some of these. I need to change the names of some of these. Wait. So I click the mouse. Step 1 is I click the mouse. When I click the mouse, it goes in here. If I haven't selected a character, or wait, no, if I'm selecting a character, that's key. If I'm selecting a character, then it will click it. But it'll only do it if I don't already have a character clicked. That makes sense. At least that should make sense for a little while now. If the clicked character is the same as the selected character, what it should do that should reopen the menu. Yeah, this should reopen the menu. Thinking. Okay. So I opened the menu down here, right? Right, I'm an idiot. I need to do all of this because I'm dumb, and I haven't yet put this into a separate function, which I really ought to. Okay, so we'll do click character, which will open the menu. When we open the menu, then from the menu, when you select move, it will perform start move, which is here. Right, okay, so it'll perform this. And that will assign selected character to click character. So I should make a function cancel move. And that will click character. We set to null. Hint the moves instead of activating them. And then it should path.queue_free and assign path null. So when a move is cancelled, it should do all of that stuff, I believe. I'm basically just reframing this. It's the same exact thing as unclick character. I am so smart. It's fine. It's fine. We're doing fine. We're doing fine. Everything's gonna be fine. Everything's gonna be just fine. I am writing myself around in circles, but it is fine. Let me think about this. Let me. Okay, so this brings up the menu. This fucks up at this point because I don't have a moving character yet. Because I haven't set it at any point because I'm an idiot. And that's okay. What I really need to do is I need to do clicked character dot move map. Click character has not changed. Click character changes the moment we start move. Right, that's how I did it, right? Yeah, okay. Just making sure. Okay. Move. If I click this, then that should cancel the move properly. So here it doesn't. And it's because I set click character to null instantly, and that I can't do that. I can't do that. So what really needs to happen is I need to hint the moves, then do that. This should properly deselect it when I do this. Okay, so I'm able to open the move map and then close it. I'm able to open it, close it, open it again, open it again. Cool. Okay, alright. So that's established. Now I need to fix... Yeah, I need to fix that. Okay. So... So in the processing... So it's letting us do pathing, right? Because I have a clicked character. Oh, wait, update grid position. It's right here. Since I have a clicked character, it's adding paths, okay. So that's awesome, I don't need to change that. In mouse click though, when I click the mouse again, if clicked character does not equal null, and I've clicked the mouse and the path is not empty. Wait, this should be an LF. It will start moving along the path. Now here I need to set moving character to the clicked character. Holy shit, wait, did I just get that right? Did I just... Can I just like move? Ooh, I broke it. Ooh, I broke it. Let me see. Let me double check on why I broke it. Alright, let's see. So if I move, let's say I go over here, and then I move again. Move again. Ooh, then it breaks. It breaks after a couple times. Okay. How many times does it break after? Maybe I should test this. 1? Whoa, that one broke, like, instantly? Why did that one break so fast? Hmm. Very weird. It seems to be inconsistent. Seems to not be happening for like a consistent reason. It's happening for something, for some reason that is... Okay. So for some reason I'm getting to this point with there not being a clicked character. Right, so start move is called when... interesting. So the submenu. Submenu calls start move, right? Yeah. So when I push the button, it calls start move. I think I know what's going on. I think I just figured it out. So it has to do with the... I think it has to do with this. It has to do with end move being weird. It needs to update the grid position. Should it even be doing that? Let me think. Ooh. Okay. Wait, does that make it happen every time now? Okay, no. Oh, no, it does. It happens every time. Oh, does that mean that it's for kind of the reason why I thought it happened? Hold on a second. Here's my guess. Move. If I move the cursor out, did that do it? So is it, I want to... Yeah, I think if I keep the cursor in with it this way. Yeah, that's so weird. But I believe what's happening is it's something with it updating the cursor. Because if I take this and while moving it, I do that. Now it breaks. Okay. And that has to do with it updating the selection. Or maybe it not updating the selection. So, cancel move. Oh, I know what it is. Yeah. Yeah, no, it works in both cases. Okay, cool. Okay. Yeah, that was a weird bug. but I understand why it happened. And I mostly fixed it. Keyword mostly, haha. I'm pretty sure I fixed it. When you cancel a move, it should do this anyways, just to be sure. Just to be safe, it should always do this. That shouldn't result in any problems, right? This should work fine. If I do this, and then I do this, and then I cancel, that doesn't... Yeah, no, this is fine. Yeah, no, this is good, this is good, this is good. Okay. Okay, let me just double check this again. So, now I can move with this way of moving, and I can just go and do other things, right? And everything works. It doesn't break. Doesn't break. Okay. Oh, that's good. Okay, cool. I still have the rudimentary, like, testing attack system, still going, which is going to be replaced. I'm gonna have to make the, I'm just putting Applejack's health in the negative because I didn't properly bottom it out. Okay, so I need to make the menu... One thing is that I need the menu to appear next to the character that you clicked. Which, that's not too bad. Thinking. So, one of these is going to be actions. I need to click here. So, and that'll let me pick from this list. Oh, my back. Okay. I'll worry about moving the, where the menu is created later. Right now, I just want to make sure that I, just want to make sure that I actually, get this stuff to work. I just want the functions. I'll get them to actually display their text now. I think that's a pretty important thing. on, ready. Button label. Get node. Button label path. I need to set this to be a node path, right? Oh, I need to do equals. I'm a colossal idiot. Okay. Export that. Okay, so let me go into the button. Tell it, hey, there it is. There's the label. And this is a label. Okay, and on setup, I want to do button label. Dot. What is the... What's the value for the text on the label? It's text. That should do it. It should be button label dot text. Equals display, right? Like that should be it. Why wasn't it auto correcting this weird? Okay. Okay, please? Please. Fantastic. Okay. So we have our move and our close, and they function accordingly. Move does move, and close closes. Cool. So now... Act will give us a new button that we set up with act, and right now we're just gonna have it do nothing. Have it do nothing because I am unsure of my own existence. And I guess I'll have check do the same thing. New button setup. Check. So do nothing. No, wait, I'm in the wrong... Here. This scene. Launch this scene. Alright, we have our menu. This is what our complete menu should look like. I just need to write a function that lets you... So when you click act, it lets you pick your action. And then that will basically just call what happens when I press E. And then I'll need to, you know, actually make the sitemap correct. That's kind of an important bit. Okay. I think I'm gonna take a break for today. I think. Yeah, I think I'm ready to take a break for today. I don't just power through coding like I know a lot of people do. A lot of people will like just keep going, but I'm like 5 hours into this work day, and I'm like, you know, I'm ready to stop for now. Oh my god. I definitely made some progress. The menu works. I'm just happy that the menu works, honestly. Like that's pretty important to me, was getting the menu to just work. So I guess with that, thank you for joining me. Thank you for joining me today on my miscellaneous messing around, making things, creation stuff. And I hope to see you guys back tomorrow, when I don't know, I'll either continue this or I'll be working on my paper derpy mod. One of those things. I'll be doing one of those. Yeah, exciting. Very exciting. I'll either be doing one of those or maybe I'll be doing video editing. I don't know. I'm not sure. Trying to figure out what things I should prioritize is hard. But hey, you know, progress being made. So anyways, thank you guys. And I will see you guys tomorrow morning for more of this. Have a heckin' good one.